Hello coders, welcome back to the new video. In this video we are going to create object pooling. Already we created a player movement in 2D like jump, idle, walk. We are going to add the ninja blade throwing with object pooling. For that we are going to create a blade script and boolean manager, and the fire function we are going to add in the player movement 2D script. Okay, get into the video. First one we are going to create is bullet script. Create script. Name it as blade. Here I want to set a life for the bullet. After some time the bullet should not be in the scene, it has to disappear. For that I'm going to set lifetime. We are not going to delete the blade. What we are going to do is hiding the blade, and we are going to enable it after when we are pressing the fire button. This concept is mainly called object pooling. It will be more useful. It won't create a garbage collection. It will be make game more useful and cleaner way to create a game. Is it body? For here I am just adding a script to rotate the blade. We will change it to some other particle effect, then it will be look more good. Why we are getting direction here means if the player flip into left, like if the player flip to left or right, I need to switch the blade spawning also from left to right. Otherwise it won't be good. If the player is seeing at the right side and throwing the blade at the left side, it won't be good, right? So if we flip the character, the blade has to be fired in front of the character. That's why we are going to create here. We are getting the direction. That's it, we have created the blade script. Now we are going to create the pooling manager. For that I'm going to name as blade pool manager. Or we will create some name as Blade boot. Blade pooling. Yeah, I think blade pooling is okay, I think. What basically do in blade pool is we are going to instantiate the blades in the start, and we will be load in the game object. Whenever we are need the blade, we will just set active. We will set active, and if the blade is not needed, we will set it to set active equals to false. That's what mainly object pooling is used like reusable blades. That's what object pooling is mainly used for. Okay, now we will create the prefab for the blade. Go to prefab. First create a empty game object, then name it as blade. Add 2D sprite, anything. We are going to get the ninja. There is a blade. Yeah, kunai. Drag and drop the sprite over here. If you see, yeah, here we got our blade created. We need is rigid body 2D. Gravity I want like something around 0.3, and box collider 2D. We are going to adjust the box collider. Okay, and we are going to add the script blade. Yes, lifetime I want like 5 seconds. And drag and drop the prefab. Delete over here. Oh, I forgot one more thing. Like we need to rotate on the Z90, so it will be like pointing the enemy. I have to apply. Yes. Okay. Okay. The box collider has been changed. Need to adjust the box collider too. That's it. Delete the prefab. Add one more game object. Save as, name as main manager. Add the script pulling. Drag and drop the blade prefab. Go to the player. we need to define a throw point. Throw point I want like somewhere here. Okay, then come to script. We need to assign the throw point. Need to get the pooling. Oh, we need bullet prefab over here. I don't think bullet prefab we don't want here. Just delete the bullet prefab. We everything handled over here itself. So I don't want a player to carry the bullet prefab. That will get from the pool manager. Okay, let's hit play and see. See, when I hit the play button, these blades has been spawned. That's what doing with the blade manager. We set the pool size as 5, so it is going to create 5 blades. If I fire, if you see, the blades has been active. If it lifetime is over, it's become deactivated. That's what the pooling manager will do. So wherever we are changing, wherever we are, if we flip left or right, the bullet is correctly spawning in front of the player to hit the enemy. That's it guys, this is the object pooling for 2D. We will get back to you in the new video. Thank you for watching.